Hello friends, today we're looking at a 2022 Salem Cruise Lite 171 RBXL that features a Murphy bed. This unit is perfect for someone looking for a small lightweight trailer that has plenty of living space, and it also converts that space nicely into evening sleeping quarters. This is an easy tow trailer, comes in under 4,000 pounds. It's wired for solar, and it is upgraded to a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. Let's go take a look. This is a 2022 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 171 RBXL travel trailer. The trailer is packed with features and weighs only 3,836 pounds. There are many SUVs that are able to tow this trailer. Interior features include a convertible dinette, a full bathroom, ample storage space, a 3-burner stove, an oven, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, stereo, and television. The exterior of the unit is wired for solar and includes a pass-through storage area, an awning, and a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. This trailer is equipped with an easy bed lift system which drops the bed down from the nose of the trailer. This conveniently enables the whole trailer to be used for living space during the day and transforms the space into a comfortable sleeping arrangement at night. The use of space in such a small trailer is really remarkable. Thanks for watching, and if you're considering selling your RV, please contact me. I help individual owners market their RVs nationwide. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.